Thanks for clicking the videos, guys. I won't take you much time. In this video I'll mainly introduce two of my recent DIY projects. This one is a miniature biplane. You'll see how it's working in these videos, and another one is my Rover. This one works wireless with this transmitter. Here's a receiver. So I hope you will enjoy these videos. Let's see how these two works. Okay, so here's my past project, and this one is mainly a miniature aircraft model, and it's a biplane. You can see it's a biplane and it's using one single propeller. It uses the reverse thrusting for moving, like big aircrafts use the reverse thrust for taxiing. So it's similar to this. It can't fly, but it can move forward using the reverse thrust. You can see it's moving forward. Yeah, this is it. It's very simple. It's using two batteries and one single motors. So let's welcome our little rover. Yeah, here he comes. So let me introduce you. This is the antenna I'm using, and this is the transmitter. Here's the receiver. Here's the receiver part, and the range is I think around 40 or 50 meters. It's very weak, but yeah, at least it's working. Also, I can't move it left or right. It just works forward, backward, forward, backward.